Let's go on a hike. Let's go to the mountaintops. Let's go see the mountains show off. Let's go see where angels learn to fly. Let's go on a hike.
It's Pants, Curious George, and Fifi coming at you from, what is this, Cosby Knob Shelter. You can see it's really foggy out. It has been raining, be kind of waiting for a break in the rain before starting out, but we have about 10 miles to do today into to the place where we're going to get picked up at I40. So that is the scoop right now. I'm about to get my umbrella hooked up and get hiking. It's kind of cold. The wind has been intermittent and really strong, but anyways, had a decent night's sleep last night in the shelter, and I'll turn the camera around, give you a quick view, and then we'll head on out. So this is kind of what we're looking at here. A few people waiting inside the shelter to get started. There's Smokey Bear. Those cables down there where we hang our food. And yeah, it's letting up a little bit, so I think I'm going to stop this and get to hiking. Oh, it is day 105, I believe. So we're at mile 232, according to Far Out, and you can tell that somebody's put a lot of work into clearing these blowdowns. I'm going to walk up just a little bit because there's another one coming up just ahead, but very easily passable. The trail is clear, even though it looks like a hot mess on either side, as you can see. And there you have it. What a mess this must have been. Wow. All right, I gotta put my camera down and keep walking. And right after that section that we just passed, there's another one. Which I can only imagine what this must have looked like before the work was put into clearing it. Yeah. Oh, and it goes on for a little bit. Hopefully, this will be the only part where we really have to worry about the blowdowns. But thank you to those trail maintainers who have put in the time and effort clearing the trail so that we can enjoy it. Okay. All right. Fancy Pants and the monkeys here. We are on the side trail to Mount Camerer. It's about 6/10 of a mile, and there is a fire tower there, which is supposed to have phenomenal views. And given that it's clearing up and the sun's trying to come out, I think it's worth going out of our way to see this. My chances of being back this way, again, are slim to none, so I want to take advantage of everything I can while we're here. Turn the camera around for a minute. So I'm told that the trail is relatively flat until the end. There may be a bit of a rock scramble, but we've already pretty much climbed as high as we're going to climb. So that's kind of a good thing. And I mean, I will always go out of my way for a view, that's for sure. So it's windy, but it doesn't feel too bad. What does feel strange is walking without my backpack. I left it back at the trailhead just because there's no need to carry it the extra 1.2 miles, 6/10 out and back. So yeah, a little bit foggy over there, but we'll see. Hopefully we have a good view when we get there. I'll check in when we get up to the top. It looks like we're about to walk up and off the edge of the earth. Ooh, it's windy. I don't know if it's up here. I don't feel like we've gone 6/10 of a mile yet. We shall see. Oh man, it's so nice climbing up without a pack. Okay, I think I need my hands. So the trail does continue. I don't know for how much longer, but I think I will stop the video and focus on not falling and breaking my leg. Check in a bit. So we're almost there. There's the view looking behind us. And as always, there go my poles. We have a little bit more of a climb, and then we're up there. We're not even quite at the fire tower yet, but check it out. All right, let's keep going and get up to the top. Ooh. All right, I'm going to attempt to walk around the lookout, and I'll just go slow. It's actually better out here than it is from inside the lookout because there are windows and it would obstruct the view a little bit. But it's windy and I don't want to drop my phone. Wow. I think this part is the most spectacular coming up. Holy smokes. All right, we've almost made it all the way around. And I had to climb up there, but it wasn't too bad. There you have it. Complete 360 view. Fancy Pants and the Monkey Crew. We have about 2 miles left in the Smokies. 1.9 according to the sign to get to Davenport Gap, which is where we will deposit our permit and be done with the Smokies. Mixed feelings. I'm glad, but I'm also like thinking about how beautiful and gorgeous it was. The wind is howling today, so I'm going to keep on hiking so I don't get chilly. Thank goodness for the sun. Fancy Pants and the Crew. Big moment coming up. I see the black box, which is where I will deposit the other half of my Smokies permit, and we will be done with the Smokies. Whoop, whoop. There she is. There is that black box. Oh my goodness. So much beauty, so much difficulty, so many challenges, so many laughs, a few tears maybe, bunch of bruises. Anyway, I am about to open that box. I'm going to throw my trekking poles down, and here we go. The permit is going in. Oh, looks like it's pretty full. Wonder when they've checked this last time. Alrighty. Hasta la vista, Smokies. It's in there. And the Smokies are done. Fancy Pants and the Crew are about 3/4 of a mile out from our pickup point. Just wanted to video a little bit this section of woods that I'm walking through. Really, really pretty. Very peaceful. It's cool, but the sun is warm. Nice river flowing next to it, next to the trail. It's really, really nice. I just can't get enough of these wildflowers. Looks like some kind of trillium and the wild geraniums again. Very cool. Anyway, I felt really good today. Was a little emotional before I actually put my permit in the box. Like I said, I talked about that before a little bit. And yeah, so I'm glad to be done in a way, but also a little bit sad. Looking forward to the next segment of my adventure. Anyways, I'm rambling a little bit. I need to kind of hurry up because these people have been waiting for me. I'm not sure why they were waiting. We never arranged a pickup time or anything, but I feel like I need to kind of hurry up a little bit. Check in later.